This is the Warm Audio WA-19. I've been using it for about a year on all kinds of things, so thought I'd make a video, let you guys hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna put it up against a 57 on snare and electric guitar, and against a 58 on vocals. Let's hear how it sounds. If you've watched my channel for any time at all, you know that I always tell you to read the manual. In fact, I say it so much, I just went ahead and put it on this brand new t-shirt. I just put it up on Shopify. It comes in all kinds of different colors, even in a hoodie. So if you like the channel and you want to support me, this is really one of the best ways you could do it. I'll leave links in the description below. So thanks guys, back to me.
Ya estoy como un niño con nuevo juguete, contento y feliz. No puedo evitarlo y quiero gritarlo. Hermoso cariño que Dios me ha mandado. Ya estoy como un niño con nuevo juguete, contento y feliz. No puedo evitarlo y quiero gritarlo. Hermoso cariño que Dios me ha mandado, no más para mí.